Okay, so we are at Donegal Lake, well, former Donegal Lake in Pennsylvania, and the dam was breaking loose, so they drained the lake. I don't know if we can get ourselves to zoom in there. There we go. And they drained the lake, so this is pretty much what's left of it. Let's walk down here and see what we can see. If I don't, this used to be the old boat dock, as you can kind of maybe tell. Oh, it's a rainy, cold day here in October. And down there is the dam. And they are down there working on it here. Let's see the... This used to be all lake. Where I'm standing at right now, I'd be in water. Alright, let's walk on down here and see what we can see. Used to be some really big fish in here at one time, but they drained the lake down, and apparently they took the fish to a couple other lakes around the area. So now all we got is this little stream. Now there was a road before all this grew up. There was a road that would go from here, and it went the whole way out across there. But of course, as you can tell, it's gone. So when I first came up here, when they first ended up doing this, the little river here was small. It was a little river. You could actually step across it. And now, let's walk down here and see. Now it's pretty big. Now whether there's fish in here or not, I don't know, but it ended up being a pretty wide river. Like I said, you used to be able to just step across it when they first drained this. But now, look at all the little tree stumps. Everybody wonders why they kept getting snags, huh? And my camera's getting wet, so we're going to have to wrap this up. So I'm going to go down to the dam, down to the breast part down here, and we're going to take a look and see what's going on. So we'll be back. Okay, so we're down at the dam part. And over there where all the equipment is, there used to be a parking lot, but of course they ripped it all out. So I'm sorry, it's kind of rainy and I can't really see. But right there, that used to be all parking lot, but they ripped it all out. And this used to be all grass down through here, a great big grass patch. And over there, where are we? Right there, that used to be the overflow that went down and ran the whole way down into the little creek down here. But as you can see, they got it all tore out. And there you go. So there is a little bit of water in there. Not much. I don't know how well you can see it up through the trees there, but alright, we'll go to the bottom and we're done. Be right back. Okay, so we are down on the other side of the lake, on the opposite side of the dam, and they are tearing it out. Apparently there was a break, or I'm not really sure what had happened to the dam, but they are really cutting it down. This used to be the overflow right here, this part. So I'm guessing that there was something that happened to the overflow of the dam. They got a hole in it or crack or something. I'm not really quite sure what had happened, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to put this out there a little bit and show you guys what was going on with Donegal Lake. So, alright, catch you on the next one. Bye.